Hi, have you ever read a book that made you question the entire existence of humanity, of yourself, of this so-called society, of what society rules are, who made them, from where they came? Have you ever read that kind of book? No? Then you need to read this book. I'm talking about Vanishing World, written by Sayaka Murata. Everyone that is familiar with Sayaka Murata knows that Sayaka Murata writes books that are out of context, books that are out of this world, books that challenges society's rules, and books that also teaches you to see the world with different glasses. So, I have thought of how to review Vanishing World by Sayaka Murata, and I came to the conclusion that I will just put three questions out there, and if these three questions make you want the answers, then the only thing that you need to do is read the book. Imagine what if you are in a future Japan and the normal way of conceiving a child, the biological way of conceiving a child is considered trash, nonsense, and the new accepted way is through artificial insemination. Second question, what if in marriage, any form of intimacy is considered incest and offensive, like dear husband or wife, don't touch me in any way that is sexual? Question number three, what if pregnancy, the entire process, the entire 9 month process of carrying a baby is done by the opposite sex? If those questions unsettled you, good. That's exactly why you should read Vanishing World. For an author to think like this in 2015, where we were not so open-minded, where we were, scared to talk about things like this, to even think about things like this, the author dared to write a book about this and published it in that year. And that is what I found so incredible, and that is why I love Sakamurata so much. Like all the other books of this author, I ate this book. I devoured it like it was the sweetest candy ever. I don't find this kind of book absurd or unsettling. I would say I love absurd book, uncomfortable books. I love them. Just give all of them to me. And I definitely think that more people should read this book because we might live in a future like this tomorrow. You never know. So if you watched till the end of this video, thank you very much for watching. Bye.